How to start a profitable business with no money. Did you know there are businesses you can start with zero money? No office, no fancy gadgets, and definitely no loans. It's 2024, and the internet is your golden ticket. Stay tuned, because I'm breaking down exactly how you can launch a profitable business today, even if you're broke. And make sure you stick around till the end for a bonus tip that'll change how you think about starting a business. Here's the first thing you need to know. Your business starts with you. What are you good at? Maybe you're great at photography, writing, or even making people laugh. Not sure? Ask your friends or family what they think you're amazing at. For example, Sarah from Michigan turned her love for painting into a thriving business by selling custom artwork online. She didn't have money for supplies initially, so she started with free tools she already had. Your skill doesn't have to be unique, just market it better than others. And don't say you don't have a skill, all right? Even if your talent is eating snacks on the couch, there's probably someone out there who needs a food critic. Now that you've identified your skill, it's time to monetize it. The easiest way? Offer it as a service. Freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram can connect you to clients worldwide. Let's say you're good at designing logos. Start by creating free samples for friends or small businesses to build your portfolio. Then, boom, you've got testimonials to showcase. Pro: keep your rates competitive at first to attract clients. Once you gain experience and positive reviews, you can charge more. That's how you scale. If you're good at making memes, who knows? You might just become the next viral content creator. Social media isn't just for selfies or watching dog videos. It's a free marketing platform. Creating a profile on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn and showcase your work. Use hashtags related to your niche to get discovered. Create engaging content like before and after pictures of your projects, short tutorials, or behind-the-scenes videos. Let me tell you about Alex, who started making soap from home. He didn't have a single dollar for ads. Instead, he used TikTok to show the soap-making process, and his videos blew up. Now he's running a six-figure business. That could be you. Here's a sneaky little hack. Collaborate with others. If you're great at design, but terrible at marketing, partner with someone who knows marketing inside out. You split the workload and the profits. Win-win. Partnerships are the ultimate way to fill in the gaps when you don't have all the resources or skills yourself. All right, here's the bonus tip I promised you. AI is your secret weapon. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and free video editors can automate the boring stuff. Use AI to write emails, create logos, or even brainstorm business ideas. For example, ChatGPT can help you write a killer pitch, and Canva can design social media posts in minutes. The best part? Many of these tools have free versions, so you're literally saving time and money. Starting a business with no money might sound tough, but trust me, it's totally doable. All you need is the drive to start, consistency to keep going, and the willingness to learn as you grow. So, what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments what skill or passion you're turning into a business, and I'll reply with some personalized tips. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Your business journey starts today. Let's make it happen. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Now go crush it.